Hey, Impact Innovators, it's Lysandra here, and today we're talking about something that completely changed the game for me: digital products. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle or bringing in more income without clocking more hours, this video is for you. I'm sharing exactly how to pick the right digital products to sell and how to use them to grow your business and your bank account. So I'm going to keep it real. Digital products are one of the smartest ways to make passive income. Why, you ask? You create it once and you can sell it over and over again. You don't need things like inventory, shipping, customer service headaches. And if you're already a person who already has skills, ideas, or a business, you're sitting on a digital product gold. You just need to package it right. That's where my Create and Sell Digital Products Guide comes in to help you. Now let's talk about choosing the right product. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to find the wheel that fits your brand. So start by asking yourself things like, what do people always ask me about? What do I already use or teach? What can I simplify for others? Then create your digital product around that. Maybe it's a business planner, a Canva template, an ebook, a workshop guide, whatever it is. My Create and Sell Digital Products Guide breaks down all of this done step by step. This is the same framework I use in my own business, and it's helped me to create multiple streams of income from simple, valuable content that I share. With my guide, you'll get a breakdown of 50 plus digital product ideas you can create now, a planning workbook that walks you through choosing the perfect product, what works for your brand, and tips on how to make it match your brand voice. No more generic downloads that feel off brand. Most people get stuck trying to figure out what to sell. Well, this guide solves it. You'll not only learn what to sell, you'll also know how to package it so your audience feels like it was made just for them. Whether you're a coach, a creative, lash artist, side hustler, whatever you are, this resource will meet you where you are. Now, when I talk about digital products, I have a course, a lash course that does extremely well. And I have an ebook about lashing that does well. So when I opened my lash studio, like about maybe 6 months after that, I created my first digital product. And I will honestly say that sometimes that digital products makes more than what I do getting up, going to my lash studio, performing a lash service. So I know the value of it. And I know that lately there have been a lot of digital products come out that you can resell, you can license, things like that. Well, a lot of people are missing the key to it. The key to it is to rebrand it to make it your own. And if you have a digital product that's edible, you can edit in Canva. It is simply easy to do that. But if you have a business or you have a skill or something you want to share, a digital product is the way to go. Now, in the beginning, it will take work. It will take work for you to create it. Unless you use my guides, it will help you step by step so you're not Googling and try to piece it all together. But in the beginning, it requires some type of work. But once you create it, you can sell that over and over again. And I do that with my digital products that are new that I just created, and also with the digital products that I've had for years for my lash studio. Now, the ideas that I'm sharing, these aren't just ideas that I'm not using. I'm actively using them. I sell digital planners, downloadable business tools, and courses, and all of them started with simple steps I outline in this guide. It's what I use to help me grow my income while still working my regular job. So if I manage to do it, then so can you. So now that you understand why digital products are a must-have for your business, let me show you something I personally use and recommend for you to help you, whether you are new to digital products or you are seasoned. I'm going to show you something, a product that can help you to put digital products within your business. So this is my website, ladybosschick.com. So you can go there and check out all the products that I have. But the product I want to show you today is this one. And this is the Create and Sell Digital Products Guide. And for this guide, I just want to show you what you get. So the first thing is there are no expensive courses that you need for this. It is very simple to use. And I will go into the guide so you can see it as well. But this is a little preview of what's inside. So you're going to get the step-by-step framework to create and sell digital products. You're going to get pricing strategies, because pricing strategies literally can make or break your business, because you should be pricing accordingly and putting everything in the pricing that it takes you to create this product. And then you're going to get marketing tips that work for your audience. And these are easy to do marketing tips. And then you're going to get how to set up your platform, whether that be, some people like to use Shopify, some people like to use Stand Store, some people like to use Beacons, whatever you like to use. This is going to put it in easy platform setup mode. And then I'm also giving away bonus stock photos so you can customize this ebook. So you literally do not need an expensive course. This price right here gets you everything you need to create and sell your first digital product. So digital products, I'm going to walk through what you get when you purchase and what you get for this price. You do get a lot. So after your purchase, you're going to get, and right now I'm in my Canva dashboard, you're going to get this. You're going to get this instantly, and it's going to show you exactly what you're going to be getting. So you're going to get the Create and Sell Digital Products ebook that you can customize, and that you should also be reading too to figure out what other digital products you can create. But you can resell this to your audience, and I would advise selling it and not giving it away. There are so many freebies, and when you do that, you get nothing but freebie seekers. So this should be something you're putting a price on, whether it be $5, $7, $17, you should be putting a price on it. But you're going to get this, and then you're going to get 2 different sets of photos that you can use to customize your ebook. And then also, when you get the Create and Sell Digital Products, you will get my free guide, and that is going to be the free 5-day challenge of building the life of your dreams. So I will be sending you the link to that, or the link will be here as well. So that's what you're going to get. And then just showing you what the ebook looks like first. This is the ebook, and this ebook is approximately 57 pages, as you can see, 57 pages that you can rebrand, customize for your business to speak to your audience. And I am giving you pictures to do that. And if you are not familiar with Canva, Canva is very easy to use. Everything that you get, you can easily edit using the free. I would advise the paid version, but you can use the free, and it's very simple. You just click, change, market, target. We'll just put that here, so just for purposes of this video. So see, easily you can change it out. There is like no guesswork, like very easy. And there are tons of videos on YouTube showing you how to use Canva, and soon I will have a resource for you to learn how to use Canva as well if you're new to that. But you can also change out colors. Like if you wanted to maybe change this button to pink, you could literally do that. very easily. And then you can change all, as you see here. I've changed it back, but you can change all. Like if you want to do pink, just hit change all and it would change them all. And then let's go to what the pictures look like that you can use to change your photos and make this your own. So the first one is my melanin collection, and this has approximately, as you can see, I'm struggling to say that word. So I have given you 300 melanin photos you can use to change out the branding and the pictures on your Create and Sell digital ebook. And I'll quickly show you how that would work just as an example. Let's change out, let's see, which one do I want to change? Let's go with this one. So how you would change the picture is you just click here and just click delete and it will take it out. And then you can easily just drag the picture here, put it up, and there we go. Bring it down to resize it. And there it is. You have easily changed the picture out. And like I said, there are 300 of these that you could use for the melanin collection. Want to see some up close? There it is. Very high quality pictures. And then the second one you get is this one. I'm trying to cover everyone in this. So for this one, in the melanin, you get 300. And for this package, you will get 150. But these are pictures that you can easily swap out and put in to create your own branding. So that is what you will get when you get the Create and Sell digital products. No guesswork, no expensive courses, easy to follow guide that you can customize in Canva. You can use the free version, and this is what you get within this guide. Now, as another bonus to you, I am giving you, as a part of the Create and Sell digital guide pack, I am giving you the 5 days to building the life of your dreams challenge. And this is going to get you to commit to getting closer to your goals within 5 days. So I'm going to be giving you this. And what you get for this challenge is day 1, you're going to talk about myths and methods for finding your passion. Day 2, we're going to start taking action. Day 3, we're going to talk about finding patterns and habits. Day 4, exploring your passion. And day 5, making room for your passion. And then you're also going to get access to the Impact Innovators community. And within the Impact Innovators community, I do teach lessons and things that can help you to grow your business, start a business, but you will get access to the free tier of the Impact Innovators community. So you're going to join a growing community of single moms, other women that want to start their business and are looking for the same type of support that you are looking for as well. So like I said, when you get the Create and Sell digital products, this is a freebie that I am giving. It is the 5 days to building the life of your dreams challenge. So being a part of Impact Innovators will be something that you get when you purchase the Create and Sell digital products. And like I said, it's just a free community of other women that are looking to start their own business or to scale a business. I come in here, I teach things, you can communicate with each other, post your wins and what you may be struggling with, but this is what I give you access to. So just as an example of some of the things that I give away in Impact Innovators, like this is the Catch and Captivate 101 ready to use hooks and reels. So this is a link to reels that can help you, hooks that you can use for your reels that I give away to my Impact Innovators group. And then there are also teachings that I post in here each month as well. But when you purchase the Create and Sell digital products, this is another freebie on top of the stock photos that I'm giving you, over 500 photos. You will also get access to the Impact Innovators free community. So I feel like some people think that when it comes to digital products, they almost have like imposter syndrome. But I want to encourage you, even if you know a little bit of something. I mean, I've seen people where they just Googled or they read something and then they start teaching it. Whatever you know, there is somebody out there that will pay you for that knowledge, and they will pay you for a digital product for you to share that with them. So don't think like, oh, I don't know enough about this. Even if you know 1 day's worth or 2 hours worth of information, create a digital product, start telling people about it, promoting it, and I guarantee you there is a market for it. Don't think that it's saturated, because what your skills are, what you bring to the market, nobody can do that. And when you're using digital products like mine, the goal is to take it and rebrand it. Don't just sell it like it is. Make it your own. So in my digital products, I do give out, like, when you purchase something, I give out pictures, or maybe it's reels that you can use to promote, or that you can use to change up your digital products. And of course, you can use your own pictures or whatever, but the goal is to change it out, use your own wording, speak in your brand voice. That way people know this is more authentic and this is coming from somebody who knows what they're talking about. You don't have to know everything, but you do have to know enough to get started. All right, sis, now it's time to stop thinking and start building. Grab your copy of Create and Sell digital products today. And when you do, I'll give you free access to my Impact Innovators group. That is a space where women like you are building real businesses with digital products. Thanks for spending time with me. If you're serious about growing your brand and creating income from home, this is your first step. Don't wait. Your audience is out there waiting on you. And with that, thank you so much for sticking with me in this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Like, comment below what you want your first digital product to be. I would like to hear it. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.